best if you view it as the cranial sea, with this whole body of cranial sea filling the whole brain, filling the spine between all of the cells, traveling out through the nerves to every tiny bit of the body. It's truly healing, and you can feel the vortex of the spiritual energy arriving into the cranial sea and flowing out through the whole body as a healing endeavor and connection to the spirit and beyond. It's a body of water that flows unbroken out to every cell in your body. And it has an energy and it has an intelligence, and you can feel the higher self and the spiritual energy, spiritual healing downloading into your cranial sea, the vortex of your cranial sea in your brain. Healing your body, healing your nerves, healing everything. Deep cleansing, deep spiritual healing. Water is a vehicle for the divine. Allow yourself to be blessed by the higher self and the divine. Let yourself be healed by the higher self and the divine.